Hello, my name is Kaveh, and today we are going to learn how to edit our videos using Windows Movie Maker. All Windows are supposed to have Windows Movie Maker, but in case you cannot find your own, you can simply download it from online from Microsoft website. You can simply Google it, Google Windows Movie Maker download, and it will give you a link through which you can download this application for free. When you open Windows Movie Maker, the workspace looks like something like this, and in order to start editing your videos, you need to import the videos that you want to work on. So for example, these two videos I have already put on the desktop because I wanted to work on them just as an example. So we drag videos one by one in to the workspace here. So this is the first video that we want to use, so we drag it first, and it shows it here on the canvas. And the second video that we want to use is here, so we put it after the first one. So we want to cut from the first one to the second one. It's an interview. We are using an interview example because you're probably going to edit the interviews that you are going to do. So let's play and see what this is about. You can simply play with clicking on the play button here, or pressing on your space button on your keyboard.
Tell the people at home, or wherever they may be, who you are and what you do. So Michelle, for the camera, I'd like your name and your position.
So we want the second video to start from when Michelle starts speaking and starts answering the question. So we have to cut the beginning of this video. So let's go to where Michelle starts speaking. Press play again.
And then I'm going to ask you a question.
Okay, so that is when Michelle starts speaking. So in order to get back to where she started, we simply right click on this and drag it backwards. So, and now we need to split this video. In order to split and cut this video, we go to edit and we simply click on the split button here. So we have 3 videos instead of 2 videos, and obviously we do not need the one in the middle. So we click on it and we press the delete key on your keyboard. So what we have now, as you can see,
who you are and what you do.
My name is Michelle Lawrence and I'm the
is what exactly we needed. We do not have the repeated question, we just have the question and the answer.
Director of LinkUp UK.
That's great. Michelle, why was it important?
And the rest of the questions and the rest of the answers. So what else you need to do in your videos is that you would probably want to put captions and credits and titles for your videos. In order to do that, you go to Home again, and you can whether put captions manually by clicking on this, going where you want the caption to be. For example, here under under Michelle's shot, we can click on caption. It gives us a caption, and we can simply click here and write down Michelle's name, for example. And another choice that you have is to choose one of the presets that are already ready for you, and they look slightly fancier, and they have ready presets for beginnings and end of your videos, and also the captions in the middle. So it's going to look something like that, which looks nice. So let's click on this. So this is what we have now. Let's play. Okay, the name of the movie comes at the beginning.
Tell
Let's choose a name for this movie, for example, our interview. And in order to have it in one line, we just drag it. Okay, let's play.
Tell the
Okay,
people at home.
and then the video starts, and in the end we again directed by, I'm going to put my name here. You can change everything you want. You can change the directed by and change it to anything else, the interviewer, for example. But just as a sample, we are going to put my name here. And let's see what the next one is. Okay, starring. It can be anything else instead of starring. It can be interviewee. It can be thanks to. It can be anything else. Starring Paul and Michelle, for example, here. And let's see what else we have. Filmed on location, we don't need it, so we simply delete it. Soundtrack, we simply delete it, we don't need it. Okay, I noticed that at the end of this video we have some
Positive to counter those myths and stereotypes.
footage that we don't need. For example, she's not speaking, so we don't need this.
Stereotypes.
Okay, so simply again we click on split and delete the last part. So what we have now is a beginning with the title, end with the credits. So let's put Michelle's name as well when she starts speaking. Let's go to home again, click on caption, it gives us the caption, and let's put down her name. Okay, let's see how it looks like now.
Who you are and
My
what you
name is
do.
Michelle Lawrence and I'm the Director of Link Up UK.
That's great. Michelle, why was it important when you were thinking about diversity to look at the good memories in your life?
I think the reason for that is that there are so many negative stories.
So in this way we have everything that we wanted. The beginning, middle, and the end, everything looks nice. Obviously you can do many other things with this application. You can add music, which adds the music you can choose any music that you want and it will add it underneath your video. You can record narration, and you can simply record narration here and say whatever you want on top of your video, explain what's happening. For example, you would need a microphone for that purpose. You can put visual effects here. Which can change the appearance of your for example, as you can see, let's go somewhere that we see it better. You can turn it black and white, you can turn it sepia, you can add dots in the middle. You can do many things as visual effects. You can add animations, and you can play with the audio and the video, and there are many things that you need to do. We suggest that you always keep it widescreen 16:9. So when you are finished with your video, you would need to save your video or export your video and have it separately. In order to do that, we go up here, right click on it, and we go to save movie, and we go to for high definition display. For high definition display is what you need to do. It's the highest quality, is HD, and you click on it, you give it a name, and you choose where you want it to be. For example, desktop is not bad for now, and MPEG-4 is good, can be uploaded easily on YouTube, and save. So it seems that our video is ready, so we just simply click play in order to see how it looks like.
Tell the people at home, or wherever they may be, who you are and what you
My name is
do.
Michelle Lawrence and I'm the Director of Link Up UK.
That's great. Michelle, why was it important when you were thinking about diversity to look at the good memories in Newham?
I think the reason for that is that there are so many negative stories that are constantly perpetuated about diversity, whether in the media or on television, that what we wanted to do with the Family Tree programme is generate some stories that are very positive to counter those myths and stereotypes.
Okay, so positive stories.
So I think that looked fine, and that is our video. If you want your project to be saved so you can work on it later on, you can simply save your project and give it a name, give it a certain let's put the test here, and just as an example, save as type movie maker project, and let's put it on desktop, save. Okay, so it looks like this. From now on, whenever you click on this, you can continue working on your project, and that's it. That's it, and we're done for today. And I hope it was useful, and good luck and have a happy editing.